Sometimes when things get a bit crazy, things at home are a bit busy, phone calls, emails, just general life just gets on top. And it's all very well breathing, it's all very well having a cold shower. Sometimes you just need to go to nature. And that's where I am now. I can hear 6 different kinds of bird call. I can hear my dog panting as he runs around everywhere. The sun is shining. The trees are giving off their energies. This is a peaceful place. You should find your peaceful place as well, because no one will find that for you. And I think when you find the place that makes you happy, there are ways of anchoring that feeling. These are the kind of things that are taught in the world of cognitive hypnotherapy. It's actually an old NLP technique where we can get a positive and negative, but that would be counterproductive, but we can take a positive feeling and we can actually anchor that feeling so you can access it whenever you like. So it feels a bit like magic. It's really not. It's so simple when it happens to you, but it's incredible nonetheless. So find your place, find your happy place. Then we can work on the rest. Have a great day, everybody.